Welcome, in front of me is the OPPO A5 from 2020, and today I'll show you how to block a number. So start by opening up your dialer app and find the contact that you wish to block. Now, as I have no recent contacts where you normally see here numbers that have called you or you called them, you'd be able just to hold it and select block. So I'm gonna use a contact that I have, for instance, Elon Musk. Sorry, you're gonna be the subject of this. So because I just created a random number, that name, I can start typing away its number, as you can see, 555, and it appears with the contact. Now normally you would see all the numbers that have called you, like I said, or you called them in here. So I'm trying to simulate that by doing so. So once you see the number that you wish to block, start holding your finger on it, and it pops up with this options. And right here, add to blacklist. Once you tap on it, the contact will be blocked, so add to blacklist. And now this number won't be able to call you anymore. Now we can also go into the settings, but there we go. So blocked and blacklist. And from here you can see, let's just accept this, you can see the numbers that you have blocked already. So there's only one, which I have just blocked. You can also tap here to add and enter a number like so. So you can input a number that you wish to block. And also you can remove numbers from the blacklist from here as well. So for instance, again, this number that I have blocked, I can hold it like so and tap on remove once it's selected. And once I tap on remove, it gives me option to remove from blacklist. So tap on it and now it's empty because there's no more blocked number. So that is how you would block it or unblock a number. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.